Hello, good morning. This is Victor Bantes from Cabuya, Laguna. Nag-start po ako ng MMM since October 26, 2015. This is the third time na naka-receive ako ng help from the community. Nag-request ako ng get help on December 1, 2015 around 1 p.m. or 1,000 pesos only. And I'm happy that after a few hours, I got 1,000 pesos from one of the members who provided help that day. So, thank you very much po sa MMM community. Malaking tulong po ito ang MMM sa mga tao na 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 gustong makatulong sa iba at gusto rin matulungan sila kapag kailangan nila. So, maraming salamat sa MMM dahil naging part po ako ng MMM community lalo sa Pilipinas. So, thank you very much. Long live MMM. Together we can change the world.